In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text or links to the clipboard in bubble.io. It's a straightforward process, but to ensure you get everything right, I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's dive in. To kick things off, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to bubble.io. Once you're on the website, locate the login button in the top right corner of the page and give it a click. This will take you to the login page where you have the option to sign in using your Google account. Click on Continue with Google, and you'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with bubble.io and then simply click on Continue to finalize your login. After you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the project you want to work with. For today, choose the one where you'll test copying text to the clipboard. Once your project opens, navigate to the Web Apps section. Now before you proceed, make sure you have the AIR Copy to Clipboard plugin installed. This can easily be found under the Plugins tab. Having this plugin installed is essential as it will allow the functionality to copy text directly to the clipboard. Next, you'll want to type Highlight in the search bar in the Design tab. Then in the Assets section, search for Input. Place the input anywhere on your page where it's convenient for you to work with. Following this, find the button element and add it beneath the input field. This button will act as the trigger for the action of copying to the clipboard. Name the button something intuitive like Copy to Clipboard so you know exactly what it does. Continuing on, repeat the search in the Assets section for another input box and place it on your design. This new input box will serve as a verification point to check if the text has been copied correctly. You can even label it with a placeholder text like Paste Here, so you'll remember its purpose later. Now right-click on the Copy to Clipboard button and choose Start Edit Workflow. You'll see a plus sign that lets you add an action. Click on it and enter Copy to Clipboard from Static Text in the search bar. Select Copy to Clipboard from Static Text when it appears. In the next step, you need to click on Insert Dynamic Data, where text is to be copied, and select the original input box, the one where you'll type a sample text. Once selected, confirm that it's showing Input A's value, as this indicates the system knows which input's value needs to be copied. To put everything to the test, click on the play button to preview your app. Type a sample text in the initial input field and press the Copy to Clipboard button. Finally, right-click on the second input box and paste. You should see the text you typed appear, confirming the text was successfully copied to the clipboard. And there you have it. That's how you can easily set up a copy to clipboard functionality in bubble.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.